Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Dr. Muhammad Muslihuddin. Today I am going to explain the lesson Al-Murakkab al-Idafi, possessive phrase, or you can say possessival phrase. This lesson is for the intermediate second year students 2021 and 22 academic year. Al-Murakkab al-Idafi, Murakkab means phrase and Idafi means possessive. So possessible phrase. So already you know the difference between phrase and sentence. As already you have read, you have studied in the English grammar, in Arabic also, there is a phrase and sentence. Phrase means phrase does not give the full sense and sentence gives the full sense. So this is not a sentence, this is a phrase, Al-Murakkab al-Idafi. Before starting the lesson, I want to show you the whole lessons which are going to study in this year. These are the lessons which are shown on the screen. Al-Murakkab al-Idafi, Al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi, Al-Jumlatu al-Ismiyatu, Al-Jumlatu al-Fi'liyatu, Al-Fi'lu wa Aqsamuhu, Kitabatu al-Risala. Possessible phrase, adjectival phrase, nominal sentence, verbal sentence, the verb and its kinds, letter writing. So these are the grammar parts which are going to study for the academic year 2021 and 22. What will be the mask? The marks will be given from the grammar section, which are also shown here. Grammar starts in the final examinations from question number 11. Question number 11 is letter writing for 5 marks. Question number 12, identification for 4 marks. It is nothing but the possessible phrase, which is I am going to explain today. The next part, 13, definition of possessible phrase or verbal sentence or nominal sentence or Al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi. Then after conversion, 14, question number 14. 15, fill in the blanks, 6 marks. And correct sentences, wrong sentences will be given, you have to correct. For that 5 marks. So altogether you are going to obtain from the grammar section 36 marks. So if any students is weak in Arabic, but if he does good work, hard work, he can pass the exam easily by studying the grammar part only, because among the grammar section, these are the grammar lessons, and among these lessons you will be given the 36 marks, and the question numbers are also given. So if you study grammar only, in that case also you will be able to pass the exam. So now let's go start the al-murakkab al-idafi. Here al-murakkab al-idafi, possessible phrase. In this phrase, remember, two words will be there. Both words will be noun, and first word is called mudaf, which is in English possessed, and second word is called mudafun ilayhi, which is called in English possessor. Like here example is given, kitabullahi. As I told you, two words will be in this phrase, two words only, both will be noun, and always first comes mudaf, then in the second position will be mudafun ilayhi. Mudafun is called possessed, the possessed, and mudafun ilayhi, second one is called the possessor. The possessor here, al-mudafu ilayhi. Another example is given, Rasulullahi, Prophet of Allah. So in this phrase there will be the meaning of or apostrophe. So Prophet of Allah, always pesh will be on the mudaf of this phrase. It does not accept the tanween, like you can't say Rasulun or Rasulan or Rasulin. Always will be pesh on the mudaf, and mudaf will be the first. Then after second, noun will be mudafun ilayhi. So always mudaf will come first and mudafun ilayhi will come the second. Always mudaf will have the pesh, and mudafun ilayhi will be having the zair on the last letter in the genitive case. So everywhere. So the indication of this phrase is the first word will not have the alif lam, will not have the alif lam. Always it will be the first word mudaf without al. Have a look here, kitab does not have alif lam, Rasul does not have alif lam, and then after Yawmuddini, al mudaf does not have alif lam. You can't say al Yawmuddin. Yawmuddini, Baytu Jarin. So second part of this phrase, al mudafu ilayhi, sometime having alif lam and sometime without alif lam. Second part of this phrase, which is called al mudafu ilayhi, possessor, will be without alif lam. In that case, the last letter of the mudaf ilayhi will be having two zair, jarin. Here, because of alif lam, second part of this phrase al-mudaf ilayhi has here alif lam. That is why only one zer, single zer on the noon. So if al-mudaf ilayhi has alif lam, will be single zer on the last letter. If mudaf ilayhi does not have alif lam, that means it is common. In that case, the last letter of this phrase will be having the two zer. So these are 4 examples are given. And for more explanation, you can read the Arabic also and English also are mentioned here. Al-Murakkab al-Idafi, the possessible phrase, Yashtamilu ala al-Ismain. It consists on 2 nouns. Both will be noun. Awwaluhuma mudafun. The first one will be called mudaf. Wa akharuhuma mudafun ilayhi. And second one will be the mudafun ilayhi. As I told you, always mudaf will come first and mudafun ilayhi will come the second, in the second position. What is the then another rule are being mentioned here. Al-mudafu ismun. The possessed is a noun. La yaqbalu al wa tanween. Does not accept the al and tanween. That means this kitab, rasul, yawm, bayt. All these are mudaf. Does not accept alif lam. And tanween as well. Always will be pesh on the last letter of the mudaf. So al-mudafu ismun. Mudaf is a noun which does not accept the alif lam and tanween, means do zabar do zer do pesh. Okay. Another one is al-mudafu ilayhi, means the possessor. Ismun is a noun yati ba'd al-mudaf, which comes after mudaf. Look here, mudafun ilayhi came after mudaf. First will be mudaf and always mudaf ilayhi will be second position. Wa huwa majrurun, and it will be having the zer. That means it will be always in the genitive indications by kasra or kasratain. Now read the English. The possessive or a construct phrase consists of 2 nouns. The first noun is called the possessed, mudafun, and the second the possessor, mudafun ilayhi. Al-mudaf. The possessed is a noun. It will not be accepted al or tanween. Al-mudafu ilayhi, the possessor, is also a noun which comes after the possessed, means after mudaf. It always remain in the genitive indications by kasra. Always will be having kasra on the last letter of the mudafun ilayhi. Then here on this page, many examples are given of this phrase. All are phrases, not sentences. So everywhere you can see 2 words only. Bayt at-tajir. Bayt at-tajiri, Imaduddini, Rasulul Salami, Jawabul Muslimi, Mudirul Kulliyati, Rahmatullahi, Qissatul Binti, Qismul Lughati, Ardul Qusuri, Mahattatul Qitari, A'da'ul Baladi, Aqdamul Ummahati, Shururun Nisai, evils of women. So you can read English easily. As I told you, there will be the meaning of house of the trader, Baytut Tajir, Imaduddini, pillar of religion, Rasulus Salami, messenger of the peace. So always just you think all the first one will be mudaf, possessed, does not have alif lam. Have a look here. Does not have alif lam, without alif. And second one is mudafun ilayhi, which is the possessor, has alif lam everywhere here. Sometime will not be having alif lam, the second part of this phrase. Some more examples are here. Deenus salami, ta'limul amni, faslul shitai, sa'iqul qitari, qalamul mudarris, kalamullahi, yawmul qiyamati, qismul tarikhi, jawwul kulliyati, lughatul qur'ani, madahirul alami, muti'ul walidaini, zawalul ni'mati. So all are the examples of possessible phrase. Here also the first word of this phrase is mudaf. Deen mudaf, ta'lim mudaf, fasl mudaf. Second one, as-salami, al-amni, ash-shidai, al-qitari. All these second words are mudafun ilayhi, possessor. Then after, some sentences are given here. These are not the phrase, these are the sentences. And you have to pick out from these sentences the possessible phrase. Hada qalamu waladin. This is pen of a boy. Hazi sa'atu hamidin. Haza kalamullahi. Al-arabiyyatu lughatul ibadati. The Arabic is the language of worship. Zalika kitabu talibin. That is book of a student. Hazihi sayyaratul mudir. Zalika qawlul rasuli. Qin wul mawzi mu'allaqun. Qin. Qaf has zir. Qin wul mawzi mu'allaqun. So all these are sentences. You must know what are the phrases here. So what you have to do, already you have studied last year, haza, 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 zalika, hazihi, zalika. All these are asma'ul ishara. Okay, so just remove the asma'ul ishara. Then after, qalamu waladin, sa'atu hamidin, kalamullahi, kitabu talibin, sayyaratul mudiri, qawlul rasuli will become al-murakkabul idafi. Just omit the haza. Then what you will translate? Qalamu waladin, pen of a boy, watch of Hamid, word of Allah, language of worship, book of a student, car of the principal, saying of prophet. Then here qinwul mouse, bunch of banana. Here you omit this one. This is the predicate, khabar, qinwul mouse. So remove all the first word, zalika, hazihi, zalika. So if I tell you, okay, dear students, just pick out the al-murakkabul idafi from these sentences. What you have to do? Just underline kitabu talib, sayyaratul mudir, qawlul rasul, qinwul maus, lughatul ibadati, kalamullahi, sa'atu hamidin, qalamu waladin. Then after, qalam mudaf, walad mudaf ilayh, sa'atu mudaf, hamid mudaf ilayh, kalam mudaf, Allah mudaf ilayh. So all these qalam, sa'a, kalam, lugha, kitab, sayyara, qawl, qinw does not have alif lam. Qinw does not have alif lam. Qawl does not have alif lam. Sayyara does not have alif lam. So all these, after removing the first word, they don't have the alif lam. That is why mudaf, the first one, does not have tanween, kitab. So these are the sentences. You have to pick out Murakkab al-Idafi from these sentences. Then after, some more examples are here. Al-Ka'batu Baytullahi as-Sukkaru fi Dukkan al-Baqqal Baytut Tabib Khalf al-Madrasati Muhammadun Rasulullah Baytut Tajiri Ma'razus Malabis Amama Dukkan al-Khudrawat. So Ma'razul Malabis Dukkanul Khudrawat Baytut Tajir Rasulullahi Dukkanul Baqqal Baytullah Baytut Tabib. These are the Al-Murakkab al-Idafi. These are the sentences. You have to pick out Murakkab al-Idafi from these sentences. Then after here, some sentences are being given with question tag. Aina Kitabu Muhammadin. Aina means where. Where is book of Muhammad? Remove Aina, Kitabu Muhammadin will be the possessible phrase. Hadiqatul Haywanat will be possessible phrase. Mudirul Kulliyati, possessible phrase. Jawful Kulliyati, Asmanul Fawakihi. Or here, Liman Hazal Qalam. Here, there is no possessible phrase. Bag of the teacher, Haqibatul Mudarris. Here also, there is no possessible phrase. Here also, these are Qalamul Mudarris is a possessible phrase. So, here, the pronoun are used. And here, question tag are used. So, you have to pick out the example of possessible phrase like Kitabu Muhammad, Hadiqatul Haywanat. Just remove the question tag, it will become the possessible phrase. Then after, exercises. This question will come in the bit number 13, remember. And you have to write like this. Al-Mudaf, Al-Mudafu ilayhi. Write two parts of possessive phrase with examples. This question will be asked in the final examination in bit number 13. Bit number 13 has two sections, A and B. So in the A, this question will be asked. And this is the question like compulsory questions. You have to write like this. Al-Mudafu, Al-Mudafu ilayhi. Possessed, possessor. Misal, examples. Yawmuddini, you have to write like this. Al-Mudaf, Al-Mudafu ilayhi. Baytu Jarin, first one is Al-Mudaf, second one Al-Mudafu ilayhi. You will get 4 marks for these. Then after, in the bit number 12, also has two sections, A and B. So in the bit number 12, this is the pattern questions. Identify the possessive phrase. These are the sentences. And you have to pick out the Mudaf and Mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf and Mudaf ilayhi. So as I told you, Haza is Asmaul Ishara. Kitabu Hamid is the answer. Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi. So no need to mention Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi here. But here, Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi must be mentioned. But here only identification. Sayyaratul Mudir. Answer is Sayyaratul Mudir. This is book of Hamid. Car of principal is from Japan. Min from. Baytut Tajir Amam al Masjid. House of trader is in front of the mosque. Baytut Tajir is the answer. Ma huwa fi wastil Maidan. What is in the middle of the ground? Wastul Maidan is the answer. Haza Qalamul Mudarris. This is pen of the teacher or teacher's pen. Qalamul Mudarrisi is a answer. Then after, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks also will be asked in the final examinations for 6 marks. 6 questions will be asked. You have to answer 6. So here dash dash dash, you have to fill this one. Like Kitabul Waladi, book of the boy. Ismul Kitab, name of the book. Lawnul Zahari, color of the flower. Samanul Qalami, price of the pen. Hadiqatul Haywanat, zoo park. So fill in the blanks will be asked for 6 marks. 6 questions will be asked. You have to answer 6. Then after, Ij'al al-murakkab al-idafi bil asma'i at-taliya. Make the possessible phrase by the following nouns. Such a questions would not be asked in the final examinations. So this one only for your practice. Here, everywhere you can see al. Okay. Just you remove the alif lam, then after it will be like these. Rasulullahi Jawabul Muslimi Baytut Tajiri Mudirul Kulliyati Jawalu Hamidin. As I told you in the beginning, first one is called Mudaf, and Mudaf does not have alif lam. So all these alif lam must be removed. Then it will become the possessible phrase. Then after, in the final examinations, the last questions will be correct the following sentences. Such a questions will be asked in the 16th bit, which is last bit in the final exam. So here you will get 5 marks. There will be no choice. 5 questions will be asked. You have to answer 5. So wrong sentences will be given. You have to correct the sentence. So here wrong sentences are given and answers are given here. Hazihi qalamul mudarris. So hazihi is wrong. It should be haza. Why? Because qalam is a masculine. So indications also should be masculine. Haza qalamul mudarrisi. This is pen of the teacher. Haza sa'atu hamidin. This is watch of Hamid. Sa'atu is feminine. That is why haza is wrong. It should be hazihi. So hazihi sa'atu hamidin. Then after kaifal mudirul kulliyatu. Kaifal mudirul kulliyatu. Alif lam is wrong here. It should be possessible phrase. Kaifa mudirul kulliyati. How is the principal of college? How is the college's principal? Al-qalamul waladu fil jaybi. Sentence is wrong. Al-qalam is wrong. Alif lam should be removed. Qalamul waladi, pen of the boy, is in the pocket. Qalamul waladi fil jayb. So, as I told you, this section will come for 5 marks in the last bit, bit number 16. Correct the following sentences. Then translate the following in your own language. This section would not be asked in the final examinations. This is only for your better understanding. Baytut Tajiri Amam al Masjidi. Meaning are written here. Haza Kalamullahi. This is word of Allah. Haza qalamul waladi. This is pen of the boy. Muhammadun Rasulullah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Al-Ka'batu Baytullahi. Kaaba is the house of Allah. So this is the lesson, namely Al-Murakkab al-Idafi, which is very, very important. Many questions will be asked from this lesson. So, inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. By explaining another lessons of the intermediate second year, academic year 2021 and 22. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.